All right, you're at a party and you have a birthday cake. Everybody's hungry, everybody wants a fair share of the cake. And so the question here is how can you cut a cake so that everyone feels like they got a fair share? And I'll show you that with two people, it's a pretty simple thing to do. So imagine we have a cake here and we have two people here. Our first person will be in charge of cutting the cake. And so they'll make a cut that they think is fair. They think that each side has exactly one half, and they would be perfectly happy having either. So then the second person gets to pick first. And they might think that one side is bigger, and that's no problem because they can take that side. So then they have a side that they think is the biggest, and the other person has a fair share. But what about more than two people? Say that you had, for instance, five people. How could you fairly cut a cake up into more than two parts, into say five parts, so that each person felt like they got a fair fraction? If it was five people, it'd be at least 1/5. The rules of this are just that you're allowed to cut the cake, you're allowed to recut, and that's an important clue.